All right, guys, this is my 2013 Tesla Model S. My MCU, the media control unit that handles all the controls, it's not working right now. So therefore my app doesn't work. Like if I want to unlock the car with the app or pop the trunk or the back trunk open, it won't work. The keys inside, normally when the keys inside, it reads the keys inside and it doesn't lock the car. Somehow with this MCU messed up, it's now, I've locked the car. The keys inside the car, let me show you in here. Inside the cup holder is the key. I can't get into this. I don't know what to do. So here's my plan. I'll try to do this. Guys, this isn't how to break into a car. This is how to unlock your car if you've locked yourself out like I have. This is gonna take you like an hour to do. Like I've been working on this for like a half hour now. Let me show you I have another Model S. Let me show you the concept that I'm trying to accomplish here. I'll show you with the door open just because it might be harder to see while we're doing this, but there's a gasket. These are frameless windows on these cars. There's a gasket right here. If you can kind of see how there's a lip on this. Okay, if you want to slip something in between the glass and this gasket here, it kind of gets caught on this little lip right here. So the hardest part is just getting this device past this gasket. So once you get it past there, I'm going to snake it into the car. And what I want to do is while this is inside the car like this, I want to be able to reach the handle like that and open that. If I can pull that door handle like that, it'll pop the door open. I'll be able to get into the car and get my key out and not be stranded. So let's try it out. All right, if you have tinted windows, it could scratch those. Luckily, I don't have these windows tinted yet. So you can see how I'm putting this little. So I want this to go in like that, and then I'll be able to pull the door handle like this. So I'm going to try to get this in past this little lip on the gasket here. It takes some forcing. Done it a few times, and it's bent this like that, and I don't need it like that. I need it like kind of more of a straight piece here, and then this hook so it can hook the. So the hardest part I think of this is just getting this past the gasket inside of the car. Okay, see how it's kind of. I'm just putting some pressure on it. Okay, got it in. So what I want to do, this is just a coat hanger too. This is nothing like, this is no professional tool or anything here. All right, are you able to see this inside the car? Mm-hmm. All right, let's. Okay, so I'm moving this forward now. So see how it's through the window, past this gasket. It is kind of hard to pull. I'm just trying to get this in here so I can get this. And guys, I've never done this successfully, so you're kind of just watching me experiment because I'm stranded here. Luckily, it is in my own garage, and luckily it's, I have some resources here at home. I'm not in some parking lot looking like I'm breaking into the car. Okay, so see how I'm just kind of slowly moving this down towards the door handle. Let's see if I can get that on the door handle. See how it's kind of like bent. It's hard not to bend it. Mm-hmm. See how your tint would be all scratched up if you had tinted windows?
You're almost turned up. So like, can you push it forward?
I can't see which way the hook's.
The hook's facing me.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, so the hook's where it's supposed to be. You just need to push it forward and catch the handle. Oh, you got it. You've got the handle. I can see. I don't know if you have the handle. I can see it. Go a little bit more forward. Oh, you didn't. You pulled it. I said go a little bit more forward. Do that again. You shouldn't have it far enough forward. It wasn't all the way around it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, you have it.
Huh? Oh, I got it.
You got it. You got it. Got it.
Are you kidding me?
You got it.
I can't believe that. Were you recording that?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I got that. I can't believe that. That probably took me like 10 minutes, maybe. But see how I got that in there? This thing's just hard to like. It manipulates this wire so hard. So I just somehow when I got it in there, I was able to get it in there, and it got caught like that, and I was able to pull it forward. And I'm in the car now, which is incredible because I thought I was really screwed. So guys, don't use this for malicious purposes, but if you're locked out of your own car and you got to get in, get you a hanger, and you know, it could take you 10 minutes, could take you a couple hours, but I got into this thing. It helps to have a helper. Like my wife was on the other side and she was spotting it, and she could see when it could hook in and when I could, like when it got in, so I could pull it. So hopefully this helps you if you get stranded, kind of a last resort. So guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit that thumbs up. See you in the next one.